I want to reconsider question yatakaita on our secular measure homework questions. Question yakatorwa from November 2002, paper 1, but it's ZIMSEC O-level additional mathematics. Question inoti iyo, a section of a railway track is a circular arc of length 50 meters and radius 300 meters. Find the angle through which the direction of the track turns. Saka, we are not going to look at this question because my student got it right. Rather, toda kutarisa the part B of the question. Inoti iyo, the diagram shows the cross section of a tunnel which has the shape of a segment of a circle center O. The radius of the circle is 2 meters and the size of the angle POQ is pi over 6 radians. Calculate the perimeter of the cross section. Saka, on my right, there is a part of the solution which my student presented, and I actually appraised this relationship. Saka, this relationship was an act of genius. So zvandichaita panapa ndezvekuti ndichatanga ndapresenta relationship yandakashandisa inini to solve this question. Then secondly, ndichazoapply that relationship. So relationship yekuti perimeter tinoiwana by saying PQ plus the major segment. It's a quicker way of looking at things. But my student did not get it right because of a false assumption yaakaita here, when she said, let's assume the major segment is shaded. So I'm going to apply my own method and see if it takes me to the answer, then apply my student's method using this relationship and see if it is going to take me to the same answer. So I will start with my method. Method iyi ndo yandakaita patakagadzira video raipa ma-suggested solutions esecular measure homework 9.0. So zvataita panapa ndezvekuti taita two segments. First section imethod yangu inini vanyemba, then the second section method yema student. The name of my student is Panashe and it's necessary to give credit where it's due. So I am going to start with the section yavanyemba to show how I worked through this question initially. Remember, question iri kuda kuti titsvage the perimeter of the cross section. Saka the perimeter of the cross section by principle, tikubva pana Q panapa, toita go through this straight line, then tozoita go through this major segment. So tinoicalculate sei. Relationship yandakashandisa inini ndeishi. Ndakati perimeter is equal to perimeter of circle minus arc length plus chord PQ. Saka panapa the perimeter of the circle iperimeter yecircle yese tichinclude this part isiri included on this cross section, this part. Then watati minus arc length yatiri kureva ichi, this arc length of this minor segment, kureva kuti tenge tangosarwa the arc length of this major segment. Towatazoti plus chord PQ, kureva kuti this straight line from P to Q. So takaicalculate sei. Takauya panapa tikati consider perimeter of circle. Consider the perimeter of the circle, of which we know kuti perimeter of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Pi yedu multiplying, what is the radius? The radius is 2, so 2 squared. To get what? 2 squared is 4, 4 times 5, the 4 pi. So this is the perimeter of the circle. After to consider the perimeter of the circle, takuda chitsvaga the arc length of the minor segment. So takadzika pano pasi tikati consider arc length, of which we know isusu kuti arc length is given by this formula r theta. Saka r yedu ndi 2, that's our radius. What is our theta? Theta yedu ndi pi over 6. So it's multiplying pi over 6. 2 into 2 ndi 1 into 6 ndi 3, kureva kuti our arc length is pi over 3. That's it. Takuya panapa takuda kuconsider the length of chord PQ. Saka takuti consider length of chord PQ. So PQ ingeri equal to chi. Tikauya panapa tika extractor this triangle, we are going to find out something. So triangle yedu inenge yakaita sei? Inenge yakadai so. Saka toda ngobuditsa triangle chete. Then panapa taudza kuti tine radius of 2, kureva kuti panapa pana 2 futi. Then this angle it's pi over 6. Yatiri kutsvaga PQ ndeino ishi. This is PQ. Of which, since pasenda panapa pana O and toza kuti panapa pana P pano pana Q, tichaplya chi? Tichaplya the cosine rule. Since tinoda kutsvaga PQ tichashandisa chi? The cosine rule. Saka cosine rule inoti iyo PQ squared inenge iri equal to PO squared plus QO squared. So it's PO squared plus QO squared minus 2 multiplying chi? PO multiplying QO cos of what? Cos of pi over 6. Saka panapa PQ squared iri equal to PO squared, that is 2 squared. So toti 2 squared plus 2 squared minus 2 multiplying 2 times 2. Saka I dot multiplication. Then cos of pi over 6. Panapa takuti isusu PQ squared is equal to 2 squared then the 4 plus 2 squared 4 minus takuti 2 times 24 times 28. So it's 8 cos of what? Pi over 6. Saka panapa PQ squared it's equal to 4 plus 4, that's 8 minus 8 cos of what? Pi over 6. We can compute this into a powerful computer. We get an exact value of theta kutishi PQ squared is equal to 8 minus 4 root of 3. Saka toda kusarana PQ chete, we are going to take the square root of the left hand side. We also take the square root of the right hand side. So PQ ingeri equal to chi. We can compute this value also to know an exact value of 2. The square root of 2 minus the square root of 3. So this is the value of PQ. Saka takuda kudzokera ku relationship yedu tuone kuti our final answer inenge chibuda iri chii. This is our relationship and it perimeter is equal to perimeter of circle minus arc length plus chord PQ. Saka takuda kutsvaga the final perimeter tenge takuti chi? Tenge takuti perimeter. This is the perimeter of cross section. The perimeter of the cross section is equal to perimeter of the whole circle. The calculator panapa tikawana 4 pi. So it's 4 pi subtracting perimeter of the minor arc. The calculator panapa tikawana pi over 3, which is pi over 3. Then lastly, tati tinozo add the length of the chord, which is 2, the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3. That is it, compute into a powerful calculator or computer rather, kuti tuone kuti what is going to be the exact or approximate value of the perimeter of the cross section. answer yedu toda kuinyora iri an approximate value, and to 3 decimal places the value is going to be 12,6. So this is the perimeter of the cross section. Let us now go over to Panache's relationship. That is relationship yakashandiswa naPanache to get to the answer. Remember, I said it's more smarter, it's more efficient, it's more proficient. And I'm actually ashamed how I was not able to actually use that relationship rather than taking this longer way to freedom. Saka relationship iyi yakamira sei? Tinongonoitora sezvairi here. Perimeter is equal to PQ plus major segment. Saka tichangoti perimeter of cross section, this is the relationship. Perimeter of the cross section is equal to length of chord PQ plus arc length of major segment. Arc length of major segment. Saka tiri panapa tikati isusu consider length of PQ, length of chord PQ kana ngoti length of PQ. Hatichaidzokorodzi because tamboicalculator kunoku, saka rega tingotora value yekunoku. Saka tacalculator PQ tikaona kuti PQ iri equal to chi? The exact value ndi 2 square root of 2 minus the square root of 3. So this is the value of what? Of PQ. Okay. Takuchiya panapa manje takuti chi? Consider arc length. Saka arc length this time a major segment. And saka tiri pano manje we know isusu kuti arc length is given by the formula r theta. But I want to show you something. Saka ngatitorei this diagram tiri unze panapa. Kana tichida kucalculate the arc length yekunoku kuside kunoku yeminor segment ishi. And tinoita sei? Tinoshandisa this angle. Saka muri kuona zviri kuitika panapa kuti tine two maredhi, radius ino iyi OP naradius OQ, handiti akavharira angle yatiri kushandisa kutsvaga the arc length of this minor segment. Kana takuda kutsvaga the arc length of the major segment, tinoshandisa this angle. Angle ino ishi. Angle iyi manje iyi handika tine this radius neradius yakaita enclose kana kuti yakavharira this angle ichatipa chi? This major segment. Saka difference iri pakutsvaga the arc length of a minor segment nemajor segment iri paangle. Tinoshandisa the included angle, angle yakavharirwa, enclosed angle. Saka kana chida kutsvaga arc length yeka minor segment kanaka, handiti tinenge tichishandisa chi? Pi over 6. Asi kana takuda kutsvaga arc length ye the major segment takushandisa chi? Angle iri kunze kunoku. Saka angle iri kunze uku ambori ani. Saka angle iyi ngatingoipai zita, ngatiti ndi beta. Saka tikauya panapa tikada kuziva kuti beta ndiani, of course haichatinetsi, tinenge tichingoti isusu beta, which is this angle, plus pi over 6, which is angle E, should give us a complete revolution, which is 2 pi. And complete revolution 2 pi. Saka this angle plus angle E is equal to a complete revolution, which is 2 pi. Kureva iko kuti beta iri equal to, panapa is just 2 pi minus pi over 6. Panapa tikati over 1. Saka beta inge iri equal to, tikati 6 times 2 pi tunawana 12 pi. Toti minus 1 times pi towana pi over 1 times 6 tunawana 6. So it's 12 pi minus pi over 6, of which beta iri equal to 12 pi minus pi ndi 11 pi over 6. This is the angle. Saka kana takuda kutsvaga arc length, tinenge takuti isusu arc length iri equal to chi r theta, of which r yedu ndi 2 haichinje, theta ndo yachinja yava 11 pi over 6. Saka 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 6 ndi 3, kureva kuti arc length yedu inenge iri chi 11 pi over 3. Takuti chitichi, therefore perimeter of cross section, the perimeter of the cross section is equal to, tati isusu chi length of chord yatawana iri 2 minus root 3 plus tikazoti arc length which is 11 pi over 3. Ngatiisei mucalculator tono tinobudisa chi. So patinoisa mucalculator, please isaiwo mucalculator kuitira kuti muconfirme maanswers angu aya. Tikaisa mucalculator tobva taconverta answer yedu to 3 significant figures, tichawana futi iri 12,6. Prove me wrong. Saka panapa manje muri kuona kuti this relationship iri kutipa the same answer, but iyi manje ndo inodeserve more stars. It's more quicker. Mukatarisa panapa muchaona kuti panapa taweka through masteps akawandisa panapa, yet panapa tangoita a fewer steps. So pick your poison, but I think I will give this method more credit. So thank you for your attendance to this lesson. If you have not understood anything, you can utilize the comments section or rather contact me directly. Otherwise, thank you for your attendance and take care.